Lucio. Siru. Scraw play support this time. Siru play Hanzo. So Scraw play like Ana or Moira or whatever you want. Do you want to play Baptiste, Scraw?
I was just considering it, yes.
Yeah, do that. And then I will play McRight Click.
With every death comes honor.
Alright, Junga Path the Comp. Like you were doing on Goats.
How are the DPS orienting?
So I'm gonna play with the Death Ball. Siru, you try to do a little bit of the scouting. Play a little bit more free.
Okay.
I'll play Bound to these guys. Everyone else play Bound to our Rhine Zarya. Okay.
Let's go left to Lost Vikings. Siru, do your thing.
I'm gonna
come with
go-
us, it's up to you.
Try scout the choke,
Okay.
Siru. You're gonna scout the choke, right? Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
From there, we'll try and just snake up left, but we'll see.
Okay.
Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Don't worry, my friend. Let's get him moving.
Oh, there's a ball behind us.
Hog
Come
on
on,
the
ball.
Oh, he's trapped as fuck. Get him down.
Alright, let's go.
Hog and Gibby, you're pushing into choke.
We're
Moving.
Facing me.
We're gonna just go past them.
You're gonna be right behind them. It's great.
Our main support isn't caught up with us yet.
Oh god.
I'm good enough.
There's one. Nice job. Watch out for that guy behind us.
I am not good enough. There's a hog on me.
Walk behind my shield.
He's down.
Just keep backing up. I'll block it.
Ball's back.
Down.
Stand you down.
Hog's got me. Hog's low shit behind you on statue.
I really just want to get to point.
Hog breather.
Okay.
Hog's down. One ball. Falls away. Point.
On point.
Clear.
On no sleep.
Yeah, because we killed everything first.
Okay, can we deal with that?
I'm back. I'm about to try. I still can't. I'm
Watching
tickling
the right choke. Get ball. Blocking for you guys.
I'm gonna try to get the
Anna
Pharah.
can't heal because I'm blocking.
Pharah has to stay out.
There we go.
Nice. Oh.
Genji no deflect.
Fire's back up.
I have Vamp.
Oh, the Pharah just.
Okay.
But I got the Genji down.
Okay. Careful.
I'm gonna show up.
Monkey on the
Jedi.
cart. I'm on monkey on the left. Alright.
Alright, let's go.
She's
Just
one, she's
no
one,
ults,
she's
no
one.
ults, no ults, no ults, no ults.
Ooh, got hooked. Sorry, I should
They
have
rest
told
something.
Balin.
And fire's back up.
I saw you go, he was just right there.
Okay. Watch out, there's a widow right behind the
Guys
cart.
here.
Moving up. Someone on the left too. Half shield.
Got a dragon ready.
Okay.
Pharah down.
Fire.
Battle Mercy.
Fucking.
Fuck this guy.
On me. Help.
On
Help.
hog. Okay, I'm on monkey. Okay, reset.
Hog's on me.
We
Down
have
low.
every ult in the video game. Let's reset and try to figure out how to use them. Can I come? I'm gonna do like a flank with the Deadeye, and then maybe you guys come in behind. Does that work? With like beat?
Do it.
Or save beat, save beat. Okay. Actually, Scraw, fuck, what am I doing? Scraw, let's use
Oh,
our...
yeah.
Let's get on the boat. Red,
On the boat?
Junga, come up here, come on the boat.
Oh, I'm hooked. Oh, fuck.
Run to your
Ah,
back.
fucked it. Choke. Alright, I'm dead.
Alright, just wait for...
You're fully healed.
Oh, good luck, guys.
Alright, we're dropping. Fuck this. Zero, you back?
I'm with you. Monkey's behind you. No bubble.
Watch out.
Fire's left.
Damn.
There's out.
I should have done that.
Monkey on me in the back.
Okay.
Need help?
I really just wanna... I'm gonna YOLO flank and use my ult. I'm just gonna YOLO flank and use my ult. Fuck it.
The enemy is here.
I'm not there yet.
Let's go right.
Oh, you guys doing that? Okay, I'll pop it from boat.
Monkey
Monkey
behind you.
behind.
Monkey first.
Monkey down.
Get in the immortality field.
There fell.
Alright, going right. Going right. I'm on Anna.
Beat us out of here, Ryan.
Huge zero.
Hog.
Widow's
Hog.
above us to the left.
Hog.
Dragon's in there behind you.
I'm on Mercy. Battle
Mercy's
Mercy.
on you.
Push her into that. Oh!
Yeah, I did.
I'm asleep on cart. Almost there. On a
On
step.
it out.
Widow got me.
Someone help your Ryan.
I'm pushing cart. I'm pushing cart.
With you.
Widow's behind you.
Watch out, Widow. Watch out, Widow. Right behind you.
Monkey's
Winston's
waiting outside our
down.
spawn. He's jumping on you guys.
Now, hold on.
She's getting pocketed.
Okay, we're alright. We need to regroup here.
All right, let me try to. I'm gonna try to come in from the left side of them. I still have not used this stupid Deadeye. Just sitting on it.
Monkey.
You'll kill the monkey while I.
Monkey behind.
She's down.
Alright, let's go.
Nice.
Watch out for Hog on the right. He
I'm
might
trying
be
to get on the
coming
Widow.
behind us. He might be coming behind us. Hog.
Siege tank. Taking pylon. Clear.
Can I
Put him in pylon. She's dead.
Widow down.
get back on?
Get in the immortality
Huge.
field.
Clear. They're on the low ground. Forest coming
Monkey.
in. Monkey above
Monkey
you. Monkey
behind
above you.
us. Let him come down to us.
Too far up.
Heals.
Monkey. Still on
He's
the
gonna
monkey.
jump. Nice.
Retaking pylon.
Far's up
Farah.
top. Far's
Clear.
low.
Let him up.
I have bunker now. Like it.
Just the supports on the right.
Farah behind.
All
right.
Somewhere.
Down. Huge. Huge. Let's go.
You're fully
Who's
healed.
off to the left?
Ash on the left. Ash on the left. No shield. I'm shield's gone.
Monkey on our cart.
Monkey on cart. Monkey on cart.
I just whiffed that.
He whipped his
Monkey
jump.
dead.
We capped already?
This is annoying. Sorry.
Nope, he's good. You're good. I'm just gonna start popping this thing off cooldown because I'm farming it really fast.
Got a dragon we can push with.
Ash on the left.
Bad.
Winston flanking. Never mind. He's on our Hanzo.
He's on me behind. Yep. I'm safe. I'm good. He's
See
here.
you, Winston. Oh, he had his jump.
No leap. No leap.
There we
Okay,
go.
back. Behind
I'm
me.
just
Behind me.
Probably gonna use dragons this fight.
He was on a mech.
It's 3.
Huge.
On Ash. On the left. Monkey. A monkey. Battle Mercy.
I got it.
No. She's
Battle Mercy.
standing on it.
Yeah, she was on point.
She was too high.
Oh.
That was fun.
Play of the game.
Fuck this guy.